much for tuning in to Charlani TV. Okay, it's probably a little bit echoey in here, but today is gym cleaning day. I need to steam clean these floors, dust all the places, and really just do a sparkle clean in here. It's been a while, it's been a couple months. I'm just going to go around and move some of the mats out of the way. We're going to dust all of the shelving cabinets, the weight stands, all that good stuff. Do a vacuum, steam, mop, and then we'll be good to go. And it will feel so good to get back in here and know that it is super sparkling clean. Now, I should probably do this more often than I do, but life gets busy, right? It's not a priority. We get our workouts in, out, done, and today is the day we clean up our area. So I'm actually gonna start downstairs. I'm gonna do a really quick tidy up, just make sure that everything downstairs is kind of at least put back together. I'm gonna do a quick Swiffer, a quick vacuum, load the dishwasher, unload, reload the dishwasher. I don't think I have enough dishes to get it started, but at least we'll have the kitchen cleared off. We've got a full schedule. Got my go-go juice right here. This is technically pre-workout, but I use this as my coffee each morning because I don't drink coffee often because it gives me a headache. I have a caffeine sensitivity, but this kind of caffeine works just fine with my body, and it gives me that pick-me-up of, yeah, let's go. So, let's go. I just wanted to come in here and just kind of take a peek at what I am working with here. And you can see that I just want to kind of zhuzh up this area, some of these things. So my sister and I, several months ago, we actually kind of redecorated this entire gym. And she helped me to hang some of the things, and so we still have, we had that plate right there that we just kind of kept all of our extra screws and just kind of building tools and things like that. Obviously things like this. So we just need to kind of clean all of this stuff off here, kind of go through. Now I like a gym that looks pretty because I feel like a home gym can look so sterile if you don't zhuzh it up a little bit and warm it up. So what I've used are these bookcases right here, which for the last year has been amazing, except for that Rob put the weights on here a little too hard, and it actually totally like bent in one of these wheels. You can see they're little caster wheels, and one of them totally bent and fell. So I'm gonna try to actually take the wheels off completely and then just set this right on the floor. I think that'll be fine. And then I'm also going to get protectors because now we're really lucky that that didn't fall right into the mirror, because that would have been awful if this had cracked. So we've got a couple of just little knick-knacky things to do, but mainly we got to get this floor cleaned up. I'm gonna spray down our mats. We have a 4 o'clock workout today. That's at least the time that we're hoping that we're going to get our workout done today. So I want to get this cleaned up and ready to go for that workout. Whenever I'm in tidy up mode, I always start in the kitchen. When my kitchen is clean, I feel like the rest of my house is clean. I know that might not make a lot of sense, but for my heart, that's how I feel. So I always make sure that the dishes are situated, and then I went in, wiped down all of the countertops, did just a really quick clean of my stove top, and then I'm gonna tackle everything in the living room. Just a quick tidy up. Will you help me pick up your toys? Can you get it? Can you get it? Oh, you want that one. Overshot the mark there a little bit, buddy. We're cleaning. We are cleaning right now, okay? Okay? All right, leave it. Leave it. That's your toy. You play with that one. Thank you. So my thought is that this is gonna be a throw for on this couch right here. I have to throw it in the washer, wash it real quick. But this is the pillow that I got when I went to Lubbock and I was visiting Robbie. I got this pillow at Kirkland Home and I just absolutely love it. I am a pillows girl. This is kind of like my sitting area. I like live right here, but this is kind of where Rob sits, but I love this pillow. Absolutely love it. And I think this goes beautifully with just all the decor that is over here. We're gonna start decorating for fall really soon. So, fresh start from Magnolia Market. This is absolutely my all-time favorite candle to burn. I only have one more. These are seasonal, so you actually can't get them. You can only get them at springtime. I didn't know that. Next time I will stock up for the year, but it's gonna be fall pretty soon, so cinnamon, apple, pumpkin, we're gonna bring those scents in. So I wanna burn this now though. I have a little bit left in this one. I think I might have about 20 minutes left in here, if it even lights. I'm gonna try anyways though, because like I said, I wanna get as much out of it as I can. But I have this one ready to go as well, and I think I'm just gonna burn it too, because oh, I love it. I wish there was like smell-o-vision where you guys could smell this, because oh, it's just heavenly, absolutely heavenly. But it's my last box. I'm gonna see if I can get these lit. I don't know. I'm thinking that I probably should have carved out a little bit of space in there for the wicks, but these are pretty much donezo. Yep, not worth it. We'll just go ahead and light this baby right here. All right. So first things first, I'm going to make sure that all of this stuff is picked up. I'm gonna spray it with Lysol and kind of let them air out in the hallway. Then I can get to the floors. But first thing I'm gonna do is, I actually have some of this and I'm gonna see if this works for keeping this little piece right here like that. I'm gluing it on because I'm so tired of it coming off. Then I'm going to tackle the feet on here, and then we're going to clean, well, then we'll dust, then we'll vacuum, then we're going to steam clean. I know somebody is watching this going, whoa, that is way too much glue, and I realized it about right here. And I was thinking, So I was really happy that it squeezed out the bottom and not the top, but then it was kind of that moment of how am I going to get this to not stick on the ground? But we figure it out. So look at how much extra glue that was. It was ridiculous. But anyways, we needed to do a little bit of cleanup and we figured it out. We made it work. Okay, so it is being held together, pushed in by the weight, and then the book is elevating it because I don't want this to stick to the floor, so that will work. Improvising. So I found this little wrench. Oh, fingers crossed that it is going to fit on here. Please fit. Yes, it does. Oh, yay. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the very bottom, and then I'm actually gonna put a couple like on the back sides so that it won't hit this glass. So, all right, yay, I'm so happy I have these. This is progress. I'm so excited because I have been wanting to move this bar. One of our programs is a bar, it's called Bar Blend. It's like a bar class, it's amazing. So I bought this bar online, used it for the programs. By the way, also used these weights, and I know, you look at this, you're like, really, Charlani? 1 pound, 2 pounds? 3 pounds, but I tell you what, I challenge you to do the Bar Blend program and tell me that the 3 pound weights are not like ridiculously heavy, like ridiculous. Anyhow, this bar has been living right here, and I wanted to put it over here because this is actually the mirror that I look at when I'm working out. So Rob uses that mirror there. So I've moved it over here so there's no impeding my mirror at all. And I actually really like the way this looks. I like the way it turned out for sure. So I've gone ahead and I took all of the casters off. I've added the little thingies here, but since I have the bar back here, I actually added some stoppers right here too so that it protects the mirrors from if it were to bang into it. And I also feel like it gives it a little bit more cushion just in case we do like put the weights on there pretty quickly or heavily, that it won't go banging against the glass. So feel really good about this. We've been wanting to do this for the last couple of weeks. It is done. And you can see that our floors aren't awful, but they definitely could use a good steam cleaning. I've already vacuumed up, so I've dusted, vacuumed up all the dust. Now we're going to play with the steam mop. If you're interested, I'll link the video where I did a home gym tour and I actually unboxed this steam mop. It is, besides my Dyson, my favorite cleaning tool. And just like that, we are done. Feels so good. Floors are clean. Everything is dusted. We got this area all situated. I had to swap out this mat. I'm going to get Rob because he works out here. I work out there. When we work out together, I'm gonna need to get a different mat because he's not gonna probably wanna work out on that one for very long. So we have other mats here. So actually, maybe we'll switch this one out today. We'll leave that up to him. But everything is nice and clean and organized, and it just smells fresh and clean in here as well. So yay! Happy this is done. This feels really good. I cleaned up this area, just simplified a little bit. I did clear off all of the tools that were here, but yeah, we are good to go. Workout's going to happen here in a couple of hours, and when it does, we're gonna have a nice clean gym to come into.
actually how I prefer to work out. I like when it is super dark in here, and those are blackout curtains. I can't shut them or else you're not gonna be able to see the video. But I like it when it is like completely dark in here. It's like my favorite thing ever. Rob, however, does not like to work out in the dark. So we have been working out these last several weeks with all of the lights on, which is totally fine because pretty soon, next month, we are actually coming out, Beachbody is coming out with a bike. Oh, it's a mixed bike and I cannot wait. So we're actually going to get rid of the treadmill. We're going to probably give that to somebody who needs it. I do want to keep the elliptical because we do use that and I love the elliptical. That is a really good warm up. We've got some other pieces of equipment that we will just have to kind of figure out how we're going to put all of the things that we do have in here. This is an ab machine that is awesome too. So we have some things in this next month we might have to kind of go through and figure out where we want to put things, but I know that we're gonna probably get rid of that treadmill, move it out, and we're gonna add a couple of mixed bikes, one for me, one for Rob. So for anybody who's gone to a spin class, you know how they darken it out and they play blasting music, and that's exactly what I am going to do. See how I have that dream light? I love this. I think this one room of all the rooms in my house is more like warm, cozy decor. I think this one room, it would be amazing to put LEDs up. So when we turn the lights down, the vibe will be very like this. Very like that, and it'll be dark, and I just think it would be like a kick-ass, badass kind of a space. So, all right, this is done. I'm so excited that it is clean and ready for us. So, all right, let's get our workout done. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to Charlani TV, I would love it if you did. We'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.